What's up, everybody? This is Danny, and I'm here at CES 2020 enjoying the incredible amount of tech that's being announced. And one of the biggest trends of CES this year is 8K. I feel like this is the year that 8K becomes important in the home. So today I've partnered with Skyworth to show you some of their incredible TVs, because this is a company that you should definitely get familiar with, because this super thin 4K OLED and this 8K bad boy is coming to the United States with a very competitive price tag. Skyworth isn't a household name in the US, but they have been strong in the Chinese market for a long time, and they're finally making their splash into the US market in 2020. But before I get into the 8K, let's look at the incredibly thin W81 and W81 Pro. This is a 4.6mm thin wallpaper OLED that is magnetically wall mounted, and it looks seamless on the wall. It looks beautiful with 4K resolution and Dolby Vision support. Skyworth made their own OLED basic modules this year and is the first to be used in the W81 series. This is a big deal because they are the first Chinese manufacturer to accomplish this. You get all of the picture quality that you would expect from a premium OLED TV, vibrant colors and inky blacks, amazing viewing angles, and infinite contrast. But this is something that you don't see often. There is a secondary display that is built into the soundbar, and that gives you all of your necessary information like the date, the weather, your smart home status, so it doesn't distract you from your content on the TV. Both of these displays work together for a better experience, so I'm totally digging this. The audio from the soundbar is premium as well, with support for Dolby Atmos 2.1.2, and creates multi-dimensional sound by firing audio from all angles with Skyworth's Wonder Audio Sky Echo technology. There's also a 12 megapixel camera built in that reveals itself when you turn it on. This is called the Trends AI Eye 2.0 camera. This is a flagship Sony sensor with f1.8 aperture, so you're going to get some really nice quality here and some good low light performance. This is going to give you TV to TV video calls, which can come in handy for families, but you can also do TV to smartphone video calling, which is even more convenient. And you can take photos on your TV, so if you want to take a family picture real quick on the couch, you can do that and then just scan a QR code and it will send it straight to your smartphone, which is nice. The camera can also be used for body recognition, so the demo they had here is for exercise to help you improve your form, and this camera can also be used for motion sensing games, so the possibilities are definitely there. There's also a separate swap panel, which is a supplement display that automatically syncs with the TV and the content that you're watching on it, so you can switch seamlessly between them. You can control your smart home appliances from there as well. It's available in a 4-inch, so it's more like a smartphone form factor, or a 10.1-inch version, so the bigger one is going to give you that tablet feel. So let's get into what I'm most excited about, and that is the 75-inch Q91 8K TV. The resolution is 7680 by 4320, which is 4 times the resolution of 4K. This is an impressive IPS LED panel, and it looks fantastic. It's sharp, has vibrant colors, it's bright, and has all of the features that you'd expect from a flagship TV, like HDMI 2.1, 8K 60 frames per second decoding, even 8K 120 frames per second emulation with their AI-based software, and of course 8K upscaling to make all content look as close to 8K as possible. Even if it's 1080p or 4K, it'll look great on this. I was concerned about the viewing angles since it's not an OLED, but I was pleasantly surprised. The viewing angles are ultra wide on this. I did not see a significant fall off at all here. It has an impressive 576 local dimming zones, and is powered by the brand new MediaTek 8K S900 chipset. This is going to give the TV the power of real 8K content playback, along with some awesome AI upscaling capabilities. There's an APU built in specifically to handle the 8K signal processing, which is able to analyze whatever's on the screen and improve all parts of the picture, including contrast, color, and clarity. So things look very promising for this panel. I also like the design of this TV. It's very different than what's currently on the market. It has this very interesting curved metal frame with decorative bronze colored lines. They went with navy blue, which I think is classic in terms of color, and you can see that on the built-in soundbar, which is a part of the stand, which is very unique. The soundbar also supports Dolby Atmos 2.1.2, so you're getting that premium audio. Other things I appreciate are the hidden cord base for cleaner cable management, and a screwless backplate for the TV. The best part about all this is the price. The retail pricing for the super thin W81 OLED is $35.99, and the W81 Pro with the secondary display will go for $45.99, but the biggest surprise to me is the 75-inch 8K model. This will go for $5,999. To put this into perspective, this is coming in at about $1,500 less than what competitors did last year, so this is great considering that you're getting a premium soundbar with the TV and true 8K playback. I totally get if 8K isn't for you. For most people, it still isn't something that they're thinking about quite yet, but competition is fantastic and I welcome it with open arms because the more competition there is, the better it is for you and me. The tech gets better and the tech gets cheaper, so I'm excited to see 8K go mainstream in the home. I have an 8K TV at home right now and I absolutely love it, so I can't wait to try this one out. So let me know what you think about these TVs from Skyworth. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get your questions answered. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this, subscribe for a lot more CES 2020 content, and I will see you in the next one.